I'm Hannu, the CEO of Anarky Labs. Really excited to be here, as I told you already. Big thanks, of course, to Slush and Nordic XR startups for this opportunity, and yes, to all the speakers already. So, Anarky Labs. We are boosting industrial operations with augmented reality. Now, this picture is probably pretty familiar with all of us nowadays. A drone operator squinting at the sky, trying to control the tiny dot there, barely visible, then having to divert the gaze from the sky to look at the controller, at the information on the display, and then back again, trying to find the drone in the sky, while totally losing the control of the situation. And this is not only happening with hobbyists, but actually in industry operations. So this is a problem with real costs, because the drone cannot be seen far away, behind an obstacle, in low light condition, and especially because information is not shown where it should be. And so the pilot's focus is divided between the drone and the controller. This leads to poor situational awareness and to the legal requirement of a spotter to stand by the pilot. So we're talking about really inefficient business processes. Now, what if you could see where the drone is at night? What if you could see through the smoke? What if you could see through the building? Well, we all know this is achievable with augmented reality. And at Anarky Labs, we have done it. Horus AR, our first product, solves these problems and will disrupt professional drone operations. We are already flying drones with HoloLens glasses, with world-based information and spatial interfaces, just like discussed previously. This leads to more efficient business processes, with professional pilots estimating 40% savings immediately, just by being able to focus on the task. We have already reached the MVP stage. First clients are ready to sign. Other interested customers, several of them actively involved in feature definitions, and they of course give us valuable feedback. Patenting process is started, and that is why I'm not able to show the actual UI pictures or videos just yet in public. But let's have a look at the reactions of one of our first users here, Stephen Sutton. So, a very delighted first reaction. And the next, Stephen said, we'll buy. So, traction is huge and is coming from even surprising directions, like here in the middle, a Red Bull Air Race pilot has contacted us. And that is because there are no similar products or real competition at this stage, as we have found out from thorough market research. The roadmap is exciting. We are going to market with expert product for inspection industry, then towards other drone industries, becoming the leader in AR for drones. Then we will be ready to conquer the consumer markets when the AR glasses become affordable. Then towards civil aviation, urban air mobility, robots underwater, underground, so on. So not just a drone company. And the industries and companies involved are huge. Markets are expanding rapidly. Business model is based in 4 basic areas. Software as a service with monthly license fee per user. Typical cost of 400 euros per month for a professional drone operation software like ours. With consumers, probably a pay-as-you-go model would be preferred. And then, of course, for enterprise clients, a separate licensing model for larger user bases. Third-party integrations will be important as, of course, we believe other drone service providers will want to integrate into our system. And of course, customization of features to target more specific operational needs. Our team is small, but very experienced, and we have shown our strength in creating the MVP in 6 months. As founders, we have known and worked together and on our own ways since the late 90s. And now we have the help from Emily here, leading the marketing efforts, and Daniel in designing and developing the system. And most importantly, we all have strong industry backgrounds. So, for our seed round now, we are seeking a funding of 750,000 euros, which we will then leverage to a total funding of 1.5 million. To help us accelerate our business development, marketing, sales, allow the team to grow towards 10 or more, and secure a runway of 18 months. So, we will be returning the gaze of the pilot to the sky where the drone is. We will return industry operators' focus to where the task is. Not just a drone company, but boosting industrial operations. Thanks. Thank you all for your time.